It's Ronnie, licensed real estate agent in DC, Maryland, Virginia, and Pennsylvania, and I'm back with an update video to the Chenoa Fund Down Payment Assistance Program. The Chenoa Fund is a down payment assistance program that is available in all 50 states and Washington, D.C. To qualify for the Chenoa Fund, you do not have to be a first-time homeowner. However, at the time of purchase or at the time of using this down payment assistance, you cannot currently own another home. The minimum credit score to get access to this down payment assistance is 600. And lastly, there are no income restrictions. However, you cannot exceed more than 135% of the area's median income. Now, the Chenoa Fund works with the FHA loan product, which is a 3.5% down payment requirement from the buyer. The Chenoa Fund offers 3.5% or a 5% option. So at the 5%, you can use the extra 1.5% to go towards closing costs. Now, this program comes with two down payment options. Number one, you have the option to pay back the down payment assistance. Or number two, you can have the down payment assistance forgiven. Now, let me further explain each option. Now, if you choose to pay the down payment assistance back, it will be paid back over a 10-year period. In addition to that, you will have a 2% higher interest rate on that down payment money. So for example, if your first mortgage is a 5% interest rate, you will be paying 7% over a 10-year period on the down payment money itself as a second mortgage. Now with the forgivable down payment assistance, this is something that is at 0% interest and is forgivable. Now here's the caveat to the forgivable option. You will not get the full down payment. So for example, if the required down payment on an FHA is 3.5%, the Chenoa Fund may only give you 2%, which leaves you, the buyer, with the responsibility to come up with the extra 1.5% to cover the remainder of the down payment. And here's the other thing. The Chenoa Fund requires lenders to add additional lending charges up front. So you may have to pay your down payment plus the additional lender charges if they can't be rolled into the loan. So my suggestion for you is to have the lender that you're working with, and if they are registered to administer the Chenoa Fund, for them to go over both options. Does it make sense for you to pay these lending charges and the remaining down payment? Or does it make more sense for you to get all of the down payment assistance and pay it back with interest over a 10-year period? And the last detail of this program, you can only use this to purchase single family homes, condos, co-ops, manufactured homes, and duplexes, which most down payment assistance programs do not allow you to go the multifamily route. However, this is a good option to get into the multifamily space, having a duplex, of course, you living in one and then renting out the other to cover the majority, or in some cases, depending on where you live, the entire mortgage. But I just wanted to bring you all an update. This is a video that I've done in the past. So this is an update for the Chenoa Fund moving into 2025. And of course, if you ever need assistance, I'm a licensed real estate agent in DC, Maryland, Virginia, and Pennsylvania. My information is always down below. Please drop in the comment section and let me know what you all think. And I look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for watching.